arriving in Dallas, Texas. So here's a view of the outside of the Deep Ellum here. Looks like they're doing some work up there on the pole. Okay, so made it. Here I am at the Deep Ellum in the Deep Ellum neighborhood of Dallas. Got a little suite here, right in the heart of the party district, they tell me. Full kitchen. Walk-in closet over there. And el baño, aquí. El baño, the washroom's right here. And this is the commons area for the Deep Ellum, where I'm staying here in Ellum Deep, Dallas. They got a nice little sitting area here. Good place for entertaining friends if you lived here. And they've got some Muskoka chairs out there with fireplaces and a little pool as well. And a nice view of the skyline from here. Oh, very nice. And this is the gym. Nice little gym. Just a view of the Deep Ellum neighborhood, not too far from downtown Dallas. It's kind of like there. It's like an old warehouse district that converted into artsy fartsy bars and bistros and so forth. Gonna find myself a good. No, that's a nice sign. Lots of murals in this area too. Tell us just the right amount of swagger. All right, yeah, let's go. Party. Just trying to find a place to eat here now. Some of these places are still closed. Ruins, I heard, was good though. See what's down this way here. Dancing Marlin. Downtown Dallas, you can see straight ahead. Got a tour happening there tomorrow. Oh, that's nice right there, a big mural. The Angry Dog. Sounds like a pretty cool bar. Yep, just walking the streets of Deep Ellum here, looking for a restaurant. Some nice weather. 28, 29 Celsius, probably about 78, 80 Fahrenheit. A little on the humid side, but that's to be expected for Dallas. All I know is it's April, Easter weekend, and it's a lot nicer the temperature here than it is in Toronto right now. Way too many restaurant choices here in Deep Ellum. There's another street back there with all kinds of restaurants too. And there's a lot more restaurants on this street over. Almost too many restaurants. The Ghost Donkey. That's unusual. More restaurants down there too. Look at this Texas souvenir shop here. Cowboy hats, of course. Y'all come in now. You all are. You are here. Not my first rodeo. You had me at margarita. I make cute babies. Lay down. I'll take a look. Thank you very much. It's very humid down here right now, eh?
Oh yeah, I don't know why. It's normally not this humid yet, but it got humid. I wish I could close my front door, but it's broken and it's 5.
Oh, well, it feels comfortable in here actually. Texas Laugh Outfitters. Cowboy hats. There we go. Okay, I have found my dinner victim here. The guy back at the t-shirt shop said Terry Black's Barbecue is the place to go. And gotta figure the guy being from Dallas would know his barbecue. So I'm gonna try this place right here. Terry Black's Barbecue. Let's take a look. Busy place, that's how you know it's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, is it ever busy? Now that is a lineup for barbecue here. Brisket is king. And the lineup begins. Terry Brown's Barbecue. Giddy up in line. Select the sides. Choose your meat. Smile and be happy. You're getting barbecue in Texas. Nice. Excellent. Sounds good. Now that would be a great gift right there. Dry rub and barbecue sauce. So giddy up in line, select two sides, choose your meat, smile and be happy. You're eating BBQ in Texas. Nice. So here you got all the beers. Two sides, mac and cheese, and potato salad. And I'm going to go with the beef ribs. Schreinerbach. Even a wine from Texas. Never seen that before. Hi, can I get the beef ribs, please?
Sure, we can get the beef rib for you. There we are. That's that beautiful beef rib right there for you, sir.
Perfect, excellent. Oh, that looks awesome. Yeah.
There we are. Beautiful cut there.
Don't pay with Visa.
No, sir. Only MasterCard.
Oh, you guys are killing
Is that a
it.
drink for you, sir?
Yeah. What do you got for beer?
We have some right here. We have Steinerbach. We have Steiner Light.
Schreinerbach's pretty good, eh? Is that local?
One of the best Texas beers we got. All right. Take a look at your screen over here, sir. If you don't mind leaving a tip in any kind of way, that'd be greatly appreciated.
Okay, Terry Black's. Two sides, beef ribs. Not a cheap place. $75 US. I kid you not. That's very pricey. And this is the only metal bar apparently in Dallas, Fort Worth. Everybody's wearing Dallas Stars shirts, so I guess they're playing tonight. Pretty cool. Maybe they can find a bar to watch the game. I don't know who they're playing. Rodeo Dallas. That's cool. Right here in Deep Ellum. Just finished my dinner. 75 US. Expensive. Oh my gosh. Very good though. Rodeo Dallas.